You're in a comfortable position and you found the fold that you want to use. You're going to gently spread your labia and insert your menstrual cup, aiming toward the tailbone until your hand is resting against your body. At this point, you can release the cup. The cup might not be in position and you might have some of the cup partially outside of your body. You can use a finger to maneuver the cup into place using the rim as leverage and support. Here's a few tips for you after you insert your menstrual cup. Once your cup is in place, you want to insert a finger and make sure that the cup is right around your cervix or right below it. If the cervix is pushed to the side, you will experience leaking. You'll want to correct this. To do this, you'll wiggle your cup down just a bit so that your cervix can drop inside of the cup. Then you can use a finger to maneuver it back into place. When you're comfortable with the position of the cup, squat down and then bear down with your muscles, bringing the cup closer to the opening of your vagina. Then take a wet wipe or a wet cloth and wipe the grip rings and or the stem, if you have the stem intact, of any excess blood. This is what is known as residual slobber in the menstrual cup world. This blood is coating the walls of your vagina even after you insert your cup. Eventually it starts to slide down your walls and the cup and find its way out onto your underwear. When people experience this, a lot of times they think that they are leaking or spotting. Make sure the cup has a good seal. Once your cup is inserted, give it a gentle tug. If there's any resistance behind it, chances are it does have a good seal. However, if your cup slides easily, it probably isn't placed correctly and you'll want to reinsert. Bear down with your muscles and squeeze them to bring the cup closer to the opening of your vagina. Gently spread your labia and insert 2 fingers. Locate and pinch the base of the cup. If you're using the stem to bring your cup lower, make sure you only use it until you can actually get a hold of the base of the cup. Then you can slide the cup out. If the cup doesn't slide easily, you can rock the cup back and forth, walking it out of your vaginal canal. Make sure to keep the cup upright when you completely remove it from your body. Then you can dump the contents into the toilet or down the drain. And here are some tips for an easier, pain-free removal. Make sure to break that seal that I mentioned previously by pinching the base of the cup. You can also insert a finger and press on the side of the cup to break the seal. If you don't break the seal first, you may pull on your cervix and cause some discomfort and maybe even some pain and cramping. Even if you don't normally have a sensitive bladder, you may brush or hit your urethra on the way out. From personal experience, this sucks and it does hurt. And it happens more often with a firmer cup than a softer cup. To avoid this, you can insert your thumb and collapse the side and rim so that it doesn't apply pressure to that area when you're removing the cup.